So I'm sitting here in the parking lot at work, and my windshield wipers won't stop going back and forth. So I've turned off the dial a few times, all the way down, and it's still going back and forth every now and then. So I've looked it up, read that there's a malfunction in the switch or something. So I'm going to purchase a new switch and see if I can get this thing to stop moving. So I'm just going to buy a new whole one of these whole switches here, and I'll get it replaced and we'll see what happens. Screws right down here. Oops, sorry, getting the light. Got some screws here that were from underneath the steering column down here. Can't see it very well because I don't have my light on. There we go. Got these little spots down here with the screws, and took those out. Now that allows this to come off. And I'm going to go behind here, and there's a little tab right there that I'll just disconnect so that this can pop up and this can pop down, and be able to get this little piece on there. So this little tab, like I was saying, right around the corner here, it's gonna use a flathead, kind of get in. Push it in a little bit, pop up, just like that. So now I'll take it off, bring this down, bring that up. You'll see that there's a couple screws there. I'm going to remove those screws and take this top part off, slide it back in. Alright. Oops. So we got the screws out right here. And now I'm gonna try to just squirm this sucker out a little bit. But it looks like I might have to remove the bottom part down here because I got the Lariat. So I might have to remove that bottom screw here so that this can attach together again. So I guess I'll do that. Alright, so what I had to do is I had to take this bottom part off. I already unsnapped it, unfortunately. I guess I can do it again. But I just took a screwdriver to this bottom part because there's a little clip behind there. It's got behind that. Can't see it. Right, it's got behind that a little bit. Unsnapped it because this cover here is over top the top part. So I had to take that off. And then that came out no problem. Just put it back in, snap the bottom back on. Now I gotta put the screws back in. There's 3 screws on this one because it's the Lariat. Probably Platinums and stuff have it too, but and then I'll just pop this back up and we'll see if it works. Alright, let's see if that worked. So before, my windshield wipers were just automatically going when I started the engine and was running all day. Looks like it worked. So I just got the switch from Amazon. It was, I think, 28 bucks, something like that. I had to make sure it said auto on it because I have auto wipers, but just make sure you get the right one. I think there's 2, but yeah, that seemed to fix the problem.